Hi, my name is Sueanne, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a smoothie. Okay, so I have already had my fruits sliced into I got peaches and mango, and I am gonna set up my blender. I'm gonna fill up my cup with 100 ml of water. And once that's done, I am gonna add the fruits in. Oops, oh yikes. And I'm gonna add my mangoes now. Okay, once I've done adding my fruits, I am gonna add a spoonful of honey to make it a little bit more sweet. Wait a minute, I need to grab a spoon. Okay, wait a minute, I need to tidy up the blender. Now I am gonna close it up with a cap and start blending it. Give me a minute. And now I'm gonna switch it on. I'm gonna mute because it's gonna probably be loud. So. Okay, after that's done, I'm gonna remove it. It's